Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can use the Google Chat on your phone and what the features that they offer to us. So you just need to open your Google Chat application on your phone here, and the features that I want to show to you is about this. Open one of the chat that you have, and right after that you just need to take a look on this button feature that could be like plus button. So here you can explore like a lot of features that already offers by the Google Chat application. You can attach some photo that is on your photo library, or even you can also attach a photo or a video that you can take live time with this camera. And you can also give a reactions gif to respond to your friend by this feature. You can even create an online meeting with a Google Meet that you can add the link on your Google Chat here, so you can do the Google Meet easily for less than 1 second. And you can also attach the files that you save on the Google Drive on your phone. You can also create a reminder on your calendar that you can send here. You can even go edit the format of your text that you will send into your friends. And the other one could be these three small dots. You can explore more about this chat about. You can search the oldest chat by Google search in this page, or you can tap into this to explore more feature. They could be in manage apps, so you can add several apps such as the polls for creating a poll on your chat room. So yeah, that's a lot of features that you can use on the Google Chat. So there is no other reasons to not install this application on your phone. Start to use Google Chat on your phone to your personal use or professional uses. Thank you for watching, and let's meet again into other tutorial.